Nana. Nana no way sir. Come on, come me machine. Oh, sister. That's it. Nana. I don't move for. That's the way she does some.
Na sana.
Asombe.
Yeah, I get it.
Right. Someone assemble now, catch him and catch him.
I'm a done.
Tell me, guys, I won't. Who don't? Nana. No, catch you, Missy. I had a crop at Yassi. Into clock come out to you. He said, I'll tell you, I would drink ye. I drink dinner, I drink dinner, why when I drink. Oh, drink, I drink dinner for 4 than I better one. Eh? Wouldn't you courage, Maba? Why? Meant nothing, Busa say. Nobody dare you, I know a woman. Eh? Never soon what did he? My mamma come, Mamma, to so wounded D. And for them come on now. Miss Obama, that to us. That's also a Polo in down. What's it? And Transity. So I never pay any in your papa. What's it? I'm coming to do it. So that's not so that I'm This outside what dinner and when I didn't feel. Eh? What sense in what how I did? There did a pan on the phone. He said, would you answer? Why I don't know. So I should tell you, dinner. Mamma, put in the pot. What's part? We are go. Matty.
Well, cabinet and you can now answer. The beard, baby. I didn't be. I know young cock, women come up and eat just a miracle.
Hey, Anita. What's a little bit for my country? Mine. One of my country. And I bet you have been popping. I'm considering. Hey, I did a minty. Watch. Hey, so well. On the old mamma country. Mine. I saw the question paying me. She had been in the crown. I may. So, they asked this. The energy of a fee. My dear, what I know I be son. Now, Beth, I could say. By phone, Papa, because I am there. You win here into Michelle and Ginny. Ginny, dear, my mom, by you be now. A whole answer be fee, and this is our salon. I met fee, no, I chew with the circle, one yes, Asare. Maybe from a common course. I'll come out call, and there be a man and me too. See my foot too. I am on my good baby. Eh, can I say a question? You know, but Jimmy Sika could be. No, dear. Bonnet to the soda, the reference. On the two for the way, bonnet to the soda. The two for the way, see the HM Munchina, the Bambala. The Waban, Shady Museum, and Fluency. Matty. Such is shedding a boss. No, not to tell them. They are good. Said them from a command could be upside. Shed out one on the A. What we answer, Betty, and the one who answer me. Where is what papa? And I'll cry on for a number. Oh, yeah, some on a crammatic into a babaculan. No, what do you call it? No, what you see. Why did it die? I'm so painfully baby, I'm so bound. Hey, good afternoon. Now,
Actually, I'm not sorry.
Oh. Ma kwa fraud dada. Oh ma. We be our miss.
Na me ya de ofie. Ntia. Na me want to go ofie.
Ah, oh.
Aye de ofie na o smart and be frame.
Ah. Na me say, ai na no ade bi na ba me fie o me ye kire o. Ela me ba so ma nyim yin tika fa cheme. Ntina asa ni.
Oba we de me no me obi a me fa asem nhim because that day now we madana na free me. You get what I'm saying? In the day now we na me dey fee. Nti eno kra de yifutum kra eni meeting. Why? But you say eno am.
Oh, that.
Asema obi.
So, then asema ka chem say person na meeting. Ntina mbai. I'm say afede my ready me no meeting.
I go na wudi anase.
Oba mi ndi agro. Oh.
Akofa nkoko da ba ha so mo.
Oh, bi ani. Oh. Nkwana me gina hase.
Da bi na wi ase yehu. Obuti akofa obi aba because the whole year first day, second day me ba ofie ma o sa.
Oh, ma pa ache.
Da bi o enti o se wo what ase.
Oh. Da. Matthias.
I'm saying I go na wudi.
Oh.
What ase?
Brent me tim go me tutu me na fie kwantintin aba hase.
Da bi say mo.
Because oh my serious. Oh.
I say I many age but asala mbra akokra.
Oh why?
Say the way no am mbra.
It's not problem so far.
Ana say say no many ani chen so aba.
Say na.
Into what ase?
Matthias.
Ma no bo abo.
Oh Bram. Oh
body bi ago.
I think I'm about fie aba.
Da bi so what ase?
Oh Matthias.
Ana me so da ye.
Matthias.
Me hu de me nyakra. Ko what say bibi na me hu so wa na wo kasa.
Oh. Ba ha give me no something. Blay.
Say amba.
Oh Matthias.
Bye. Oh me nyajio. Wow. Ti say what say?
Me no bet.
And the mate pa na and I say it me ye kuna. Kwa
we di kula wa simbe jare mespan.
So de yanko.
Mate yanko.
Bi kana mi ni wachi.
Na ka o besi e.
Boa. De ya tase mama. Allah. And see bi adam da na be sin wi mu se.
Oh, Ojamene sawa masuye. Yeah. Is that one? So wasn't to be part of the man. Like a question of.
Oh dear.
Oh dear.
Kase. I don't just go for.
Actually, someone just even if you are back in grammar.
Kasa. Nyaje what I was the kasa.
But you say, and none no one met Honor, my condition. Now, I could be up by Fiase, Mr. B. Family. Now, you could do all night on one. Who's a number of my back here? So, put that Thomas Anna. I'm to go just quite a man on my day. Mamma Boo. It will come to the grand plan to go to our family.
And let's be done.
To what? For now, I'm home quite. Oh,
Kasa, what a kasa.
Is that we could do on a man? Also, what's as ever?
That's it. Why?
What you say? Ah.
Hey. Gracha, me baby sheni mo ade bia. Why dey?
What's what you say? Ah, o man hag you know.
Hey! What's ready?
Radia.
Eti na we wani ade.
Me come chiro eh. Is it me the come? That's it. Hey, oh, you is sister.
Na say o ma o hyehyɛ.
Me no.
Hey!
Who you dio eh?
Say me ka chiro. Utimi betina dan nchemu na utini so mesinya abotre na oba de sa kaka akrobeto wasenya abotre meka na aba hana ti wo
Yezo.
ibi se woni je
Because I don't say me say put in the ground. I've made that you or something come back. Ya papa.
sisi ali mi
Ah, o shopping. O something go jam.
soro pe
Ya dia na da go chaske. Why? Me papa na uni ana why did you? Ah, that's it.
didi ho soro be
Uni problem. Ah. You got to eat you bro, bye.
em fa me kom to ni
Oh,
e ma me fa me yam kom to won twen
you that brewa. Where chere?
den na de
Me the bible. Ah, now we be there for. Ah.
Sampane ready. Baba ko. Atene fi hanu masuama. E ka se mi so ni suwa ka kentema. Na don so wo sirse. Kwe. E jane no wa ba na so wa anfa jane ama na ba tu fi ase mi no mi.
First of all, I would like to welcome you people to my office.
Thank you, boss.
Okay. Asare?
Yes, boss.
Hope you are doing well.
Oh, everything is cool.
That's nice. Hannah, you?
I'm fine.
Okay. I wanted to have a couple of meetings with you guys last week, but because of the busy of this job, it couldn't come off. So I decided to make it today, since you people are free today. And all what the meeting is about is you see this job that we are into. When you talk about ECG in Ghana here, nipa bebre ani die, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
A lot of people are be checking up on us, trying to see what people are doing. So inti me person be so adwuma no yi, you understand? Sene we adwuma no ebe konanim, because ECG nipa ho adwuma inti se wanya abotra, you be getting problem with a lot of peoples, and also enye fair. So inti me person what I want to say is, you people, you should just take the job serious so that we can move forward. So that is all what I have for you guys. So
Okay.
if anything else, you can also bring it out so that we see what we can do.
Okay. Thank you, boss. First of all, I would like to say something small, and I'll begin with thanks that you are having such a concern about the job. And what I can say, we are going to be committed. We promise that let's say the so human yamansa easy from the wakano we promise to be committed. Yeah.
Okay. Then do you have anything to say concerning about what I said?
Oh no, boss, that's all.
That's all.
Yeah.
You Asare. Are you Asare?
Yeah.
Asare
Enoch.
Asare
Yeah.
Asare Enoch.
That's me.
Yeah. According to my document, I saw your name over there.
Yeah.
It means you have been here before.
Oh yeah. I've been working here before I got my transfer.
Okay. Okay. Then I don't have problem with you, since you have been here before. You have the experience here,
Oh yeah.
and that's nice. I like that.
Thank you.
See, Hannah, she's a newcomer here. I would like you to be supporting her in case of any difficulties
No problem,
about
boss.
the
No
job.
problem. No problem.
So until Ayana was Sunumuka Crasset. The big children, you consult him so that he also help you. So, and the other lady too, she'll be coming. The other day she called me that she'll be coming. So if anything, then you support them.
Okay, boss.
So sorry. Have a shake.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Yeah.
Okay, Hannah. Whatever. Okay, I'll be in my office.
Okay.
So if anything, you guys.
Okay.
Thank you, boss. Okay. I'm leaving.
Okay. Thank you. Big sister, you are welcome.
Thank you.
Okay. Now, it's boss, not boss kasa about other lady be, but it seems to me who na hada. Oh, okay. Try to let me know her when she comes. Okay. So me too, I'll take my leave. I was on some work inside, so I'll get back to you. Okay?